My bad. You can just go around. What's good? Damn, what's good? What's good? What's good?
Hey, your license plate don't trip up.
Huh?
Your license plate don't trip up.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Well, this is the real one now. This is my real license plate.
Oh.
Yeah, I had to.
I said, did it come true?
What do you?
Is your car not running?
Oh, won't run?
No, he's making a YouTube video.
Oh, you're making a YouTube video right now. No, you're fine.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah, it's recorded right now. I can take it out there.
Okay, but we should just pull away.
Huh?
You should tag him.
No, you're fine. Yeah, just DM me on Instagram. I got you. Follow my Instagram. Do you follow me on Instagram?
He's already your friend on Instagram.
Oh, I know you are. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you, brother. Yes, sir. I'm just doing a video right now.
Oh, I'll watch it later.
Yes, sir. Y'all be safe.
I'm so happy I see you.
Yeah, bro. I'm just cruising around.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. That's cool. Yes, sir. Oh, that's cool, man, bro. That's crazy. I love this YouTube stuff. Just building like a fan base and just everything with this. I just love it. Like all I was saying, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all like these type of videos, subscribe, like the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I got a lot of content. I've been posting a lot of content. I got a lot of stuff coming with this car. I'm gonna just give y'all a little sauce right now. I got a BTR stage 3 cam coming next week, pulley. I got a couple more little goodies. Make sure y'all follow me on everything, Instagram right here, YouTube right here, and I'm out, man. Peace. I gotta hurry up back home because it's about to start raining. But we gonna continue with the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Boy, slip back or another video. Trying to beat the rain home. Oh, it's raining. I really don't know where I'm at, but I'm gonna take the same route I came back. So, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Lots of videos coming soon. Yeah, man. No talking, just straight. Oh, fuck, it's raining for real. Fuck. I gotta beat this rain. Oh, brother, it's raining. Fuck, I ain't gonna beat this home. Hopefully it doesn't like rain like hard, you know. I'm not gonna go like obviously real fast because it's slick now. But and these are really sharp turns right now. Try to beat this rain home. I'm probably like at least 25 minutes from my house, at least. There's a lot of wide turns still in this. Is there a car right here in front of me? Thought I saw a car. I'm tripping. Good thing I just got a new brake pads. Oh, it's wet right here. Goodness. That's a pretty house. I like the house a lot. I'm trying to be careful too. Honestly, hopefully I'm going the right way, because I just was cruising and didn't know where I was going. Days like this is just a Mustang, slow staying. See, it is raining. Ooh, this is a sharp turn. I don't think I'm that far from my house now. The closer we get to the house, like, the more it's raining. I have to go slow up in here. I thought I was gonna beat this. I'm not that far down. $800? What the fuck? I need to go back and see what's wrong with that car. What's wrong with that car for $800? Make sure I have my phone. bus right there. We know where we at, chat. At least it's not like raining hard, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going fast, so this really not gonna do nothing. So like, obviously, you know, I got my hood off, so, but it's not like raining, you know what I'm saying? But who knows? Fuck. That's a and 3-car garage in the back. Damn, it was like two other garages. That's a 5-car garage, like 8 bedrooms. That's a fat house over there. Shit. Do I need new windshield wipers, chat? Holy shit, that house is fat. I think I need new windshield wipers, honestly. Maybe I don't. Why is it a cop right here? Wow, we got caught behind traffic. So I mean, we got caught in the rain, but it's not bad. And I'm close to my house now, so. Well, that's it really for this video. Cause I'm by my house now, you know. Well, kind of by my house, but should have went that way. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, cause this is not planned. This is not a planned video right here. Me getting caught in the rain like this, but you know, ZL1s are not good in the rain. You know. So hopefully y'all like this video. Subscribe to your boy, about to hit 10K subscribers, you know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all comment on the video too, because I'm also, I give away a little cash to a couple whoever comments. I just pick a random comment, I just cash out them. So if you're trying to win some free money, comment on the video, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow all my socials, you know what I'm saying? Social TV. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? But make sure y'all subscribe to the video, like the video, and I'm out, man. Peace.